inside. Your glow face shone through a love you. My soul trembles softly, thinking of you, the incumbent, fun, gentle. Thinking of you, I dreamed about the nights of our many nights. Oh, these magical harmony nights. Let's wander together under their lights. Oh, for those nights of harmony. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, those nights of harmony. So fair, so oh, let's stroll around as a loving pair. Is it just here? Is it just here? A vision lingering near. Did your eyes capture mine from the start? Did I tie my dreams to your sweetheart? True feelings bloom like flowers in the rain. My longing so plays its tender strain. Your silhouette stays with me. Did your eyes capture mine from the start? Did I tie my dreams to your sweetheart? True feelings bloom like flowers in the rain. Reflected in your eyes, from pegging a moon and far too free from pain. Let me free from pain. Starry brain, my longing soul placed its tender Your silhouette stays with me. Your silhouette stays with me. All these enchanting harmony nights. Harmony nights. Breezy as the cool air from a land to lose nights of harmony. Oh, harmony nights. Cool as the mountain wind above. Cool as the mountain wind above night. Harmony nights. Nights filled with ghostness and gentle love of harmony.